Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. Today we will be tackling again another basic stitch and it's called double crochet. And double crochet, that's the name, okay? And that's the abbreviation DC. And that's the symbol, a big T with a little slash in the middle, just one slash. Be careful with that and remember that it's only one slash because there are other symbols that has many slashes in the middle. So get your scrap of yarn and a hook and wrap your yarn around your fingers like this and hold on to the foundation chain. Then wrap your yarn around the hook, okay, and you have to insert your hook into the next chain stitch like this, okay, and then wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. So you should have 3 yarns in your hook. 1, 2, 3. You should have that. Okay, and then wrap your yarn around the hook and you have to pull this yarn all the way to the first 2 yarns of your hook. 1 and 2, just the first 2, okay? So don't include this third one here. So like this. Okay, so you just pull your yarn in the first 2 yarn, and again you have to wrap your yarn around the hook like so and pull this yarn all the way to the end, or this last 2 yarns in your hook. Okay, so that is a double crochet. This is what a double crochet looks like. Again, wrap your yarn around your hook and insert it into the next chain stitch like this, and wrap your yarn around a hook and pull it through. And you should have 3 yarns in your hook, and wrap your yarn around the hook and pull that yarn all the way to the first 2 yarns in your hook, and then there's another 2 yarns in your hook, and wrap your yarn around the hook and pull that all the way to the end of your yarn. So that's a double crochet there. Okay, again, wrap your yarn around your hook, insert it into the chain stitch like so. Okay, and wrap your yarn around a hook and pull it through. Make sure you have 3 yarns in your hook, and wrap your yarn around a hook and pull that yarn all the way to the first 2 yarn. Leave the last one alone. Okay, like this, and another 2 yarns left in your hook, and wrap your yarn around your hook and pull it through all the way to the end. And this is what a double crochet looks like. Okay, again I will show you for the last time. Insert your hook and wrap your yarn and pull it through. Okay, and wrap your yarn and pull it through into the first 2 yarns in your hook, and wrap your yarn and pull it through till the end. Okay, so it's a bit long, the double crochet, if you've noticed. And if the pattern says you need to do 10 double crochets, so obviously you have to do 10 double crochets. And if it's 20, so you have to do 20s too. Okay, usually double crochets is one of the basic stitch. Okay, so I'm here now at the end of my row. So this is what the double crochet looks like. Okay, I think I have here 8 double crochets, and if you've noticed, it's a long stitch. It's a good kind of stitch for projects that you want more coverage. Okay, so it's thicker or longer than the half double crochet. So here's the half double crochet side by side with a double crochet. So this is the half double crochet and that's the double crochet. If you've noticed, the double crochet is longer than the half double crochet. Okay, so that's the difference of the 2 stitches.
We both know this is wrong, so why do we carry this on in the air?